In this video, you will learn how to blur background of your image in Photoshop. First, you duplicate the layer with Ctrl J. Next, you select your quick selection tool, then click on Select Subject on the option toolbar. You allow Photoshop to automatically select the subject. You then go to the menu bar and on that select, you choose Inverse. You then refine selection to adjust to the green grass and the leaves behind the subject. Then you copy and paste using Ctrl C and Ctrl V. You then go to filter. On the menu bar, then blur, then Gaussian blur. Then you adjust the radius until you are satisfied with the blur effect and you click OK. You then merge the layer with the use of Ctrl E. This is before and this is after. Before and after. Before and after. Thanks for watching. You can watch these videos for more Photoshop techniques as you keep learning and creating.